Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to do autofills on your Google Sheets application. So first thing you have to do, just open the Google Sheets application and find out the documents that you want to add an autofills to. Okay, here I already prepared to use. So in my documents now I already have the name of interviewee as well as the number of it, and now I would like to add another column here to add the date of their interview time. So here let's add the new column. I would like to copy it from this to make it easier. Just click copy and paste here, and now we just need to go click clear, and here in the top of it I would like to type date. Okay, so autofill is a formula or a features that help you to automatically fill in all of these cells with the same function as the mother cells that you choose. Okay, for example here I would like to choose the dates. So the first interview will be held on 1 November 2023, for example, and that just click done. And now we can actually fill in all of the cells manually, but I think it's gonna take too much time. So how to save the time? You just need to go block all of the cells here from the C2 until C26, and after you blocked it you just need to click it. When you click it, there will be pop up here the several options. One of them is autofill, and now you just need to click autofill, and you can see now all of the cells is already filling with the dates in order: 1 November, 2nd November, 1st November, 2nd November, 3rd November, and so on and so on. So you can see the time is saved. Now you can do it automatically so that you will not gonna waste your time. So that's the way how to do autofill on a Google Sheets, guys. If you find out this tutorial is really help you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.